In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zapier with Notion. If you've been searching for a way to streamline your tasks across these two platforms, you're in the right place. So grab a cup of coffee, settle into your favorite chair, and let's dive right in. First things first, let's open up Zapier in your browser. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. If you haven't yet created an account, it's quick and easy, so take a moment to get set up now. With Zapier's intuitive interface, you're just moments away from enhancing your productivity. Once you're logged in, you'll want to look for the Create button at the top left of your dashboard. Upon clicking, a drop-down will appear. Here, you'll select Zaps. This is where the magic happens. Whether you're looking to automate tasks, manage reminders, or keep track of projects, Zapier's flexibility allows you to customize your workflows to fit your needs. From here, you have two options. Zapier offers the possibility to design Zaps manually, giving you full control over the process. Alternatively, there's also AI assistance available should you need a little help. Don't worry if this is your first time. Navigating these options is simpler than it seems. If you choose to manually set up your automation, you'll see the terms trigger and action. Think of these as the if and then of automation. Hover your cursor in the space below these headings to reveal a list of potential applications that you can connect. This is where you're able to link Notion with other useful tools in your tech arsenal. To begin, let's focus on the trigger. You'll want to add Notion here. This means Notion will signal Zapier to start an automated action whenever a certain event occurs. For this demonstration, let's select New Database Item as the trigger event. This means every time a new item is added to your selected Notion database, a specific action will be triggered. Ensure that your Notion account is connected to facilitate this integration. The process is straightforward, and you'll find step-by-step instructions within the Zapier interface. Next, let's select Gmail as our action application. When choosing the action event, opt for Send Email. This setup will automatically send an email whenever the chosen trigger event occurs in Notion. Again, you'll need to connect your Gmail account to enable this functionality. Once everything is connected, don't forget to test your Zap. This ensures that all parts of your automation are working together seamlessly before you make it live. Following a successful test, hit Publish. Now, watch as these Zaps simplify your workflow, keeping you organized and on top of your game. And that's a wrap! You've just set up a Zap between Notion and Gmail using Zapier. I hope this guide has been helpful and has you excited to streamline more of your tasks. Thanks for watching.